Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got an announcement for a new contest. This contest will be to give away a Google Home. So if you have not tried out a home smart speaker, this could be your chance to win in this contest. Now this contest will be an international contest as always. I will ship this to anywhere in the world, so don't worry about where you live. It will be via Gleam.io as my past contests have been, and I will have that link in the description below this video, so go click on that to enter the contest. And you can get entries for following me on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, or Facebook, and you can also get bonus entries for sharing the contest with other people. So make sure to enter, and maybe you'll win this Google Home, and I'll be sending it to you. Thanks again for everybody that has supported me in the past. The past contests have been very successful, thousands and thousands of entries. I really appreciate the follows on all of my platforms and everybody that has followed so far. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and this was the announcement for the Google Home giveaway. Good luck to everyone, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.